Hello and welcome to this video. Today we are going to unbox a few more equipments for the lab we are currently working with. Today the equipments are network gear that are going to able to connect the PCs here with the internet, and we have suggested that they go for Gigabit Ethernet and Gigabit LAN so that the PCs can access very fast internet, and also the VR related works can be done over gigabit communication. So let's start. This is the first equipment. This is the simplest one, so let's start with this. And we're not going to unbox this one because you can see what's the contents of this box. They are only connectors. These are RJ45 connectors that go on top of the cables on the both ends of the cable, Ethernet cable, to connect them on a switch or a router and to the PC and something like that. So let's put this aside. There are 20 connectors and some clips to grip on the cables properly. Now the first equipment that we are going to unbox today is this one, 16 port Gigabit Desktop Switch. It's from TP-Link and currently it's very cheap and very affordable. This has 16 ports, so let's start the unboxing. Okay, now it's unboxed. On the wrapper is unboxed. Now there is the box. Okay, now you can open from the side, this left side here, but before that let's look at the box. Multiple languages. This is 16 port, 10, 100 and 1000 megabit per second, means it supports gigabit speeds, and it has plug and play support, exquisite metal casing. It has metal body actually. So wall mount is available, green technology, traffic prioritization and multicast optimization and something like that. So it has the model number of TLSG116. It has business solution and some certifications. Let's turn on the other side. Here you can see the network capabilities. It's just simple network. There will be a router in between the internet and the switch, so the router can connect to the switch, and the switch will distribute all the internet to all the PCs. So let's see the some other specifications. There you can see ports provide up to 32 gigabit per second non-blocking switching capability, so that's good enough for a small lab like this. So let's open up the box. It opens from this side. Oh, there is a small clip here. So here is the contents of the box, as you can see. So the switch, it has a simple installation guide, some okay, this is the power connector, 3-pin power connector, regional, and it has a simple small power connector, and the switch itself is here, very small. I thought it was might be a bit big. It has some weight to it. Here are the ports, metal body. Let's open up the box here. Outer wrapper, very good finish. There is the power indicator, some Ethernet ports. Each of them has some indicators about their activity. They are numbered from 1 to all the way to 16, and it has some this is the wall mount capability. You can just put a plug and just socket that on that. Okay, so this is the switch. So let's move on to the next one, that is the router. Okay, there are some small rubber bushes, so that if you want to put it on your table, you can apply them on these 4 circles to get a grip on the table. So let's put those aside. Let's move on to our next unboxing of today, that is the router. here it is, the AC1350 Wi-Fi router. It has dual band MU-MI-MO Archer series C60. We suggested this one because it's cheap. They do, according to the budget, we chose this one. Still, it has good range. It has 5 antennas and have 2 bands, meaning we can stream over 5G, means 5 gigahertz. Here you can see 450 megabit per second on 2.4 gigahertz and over 800, means 867 megabit per second over 5 gigahertz. It will be enough if we use virtual desktop over Wi-Fi on Oculus Quest. A few more devices will come to this lab. We will unbox those too in the future. So please subscribe this channel to get notified when they come. Okay, let's start unboxing this one. Okay, just see at the back side first. You can see here its speeds up to 1317 megabit per second. Some layouts, some designs. Okay, that's all. On some details of the features in this side, specifications, package contents. There is router, power adapter, some connectors. Oh, there's a connector too. A cable is given here too. Okay, there is an app that you can get access to on Play Store or even Apple Store. The QR code is given here. And TP-Link routers are generally very easy to configure over internet, so that's a convenience. So let's start the unboxing. Okay, let's start. Okay, it's ready. So now let's unbox the contents. It's open like this, other than the in opposite way of the switch. Oh, it's this way. If we just let's place it in this side so that you guys can see. Here you go, the contents. So the router is placed here. As you can see, the 2 antennas in this one, and the back side has 3 antennas, 1 2 3, and a cable in this one. Be sure that these cables that come with the routers do not have Cat6 capability. As you can see here, it's Cat5, so you need a smaller cable to connect it, or even if you have a modem or internet jack or like that. So do not rely on these, because it will lower the speed that actually this router has. So it has quick installation guide and a small GNU public license notice. Let's put that away. It has this cable, put that away. This one, same kind of connector. If you can see here, this one is the switch connector and this one is the router connector. Almost the same, even has almost the same connector, so they are interchangeable. If you have older router or TP-Link router lying around, you can use the power adapters of those, I think, too. So this is the router. If you take off this polythene, this plastic cover, it looks good too.